Hello friends, and a very happy 2022 to you. If you keep making the same New Year's resolution year after year to meditate more, then you are exactly the person I want to invite to a new course I'm offering through Dawn Mountain Center for Tibetan Buddhism. It's called Awake in Daily Life, and we'll do 4 weeks of group practice and discussion with prompts to help you bring mindfulness into daily life, but with no expectation that you're going to sit down and meditate every day. Instead, the practices we do together will give you some structure and motivation to practice waking up throughout the day, and the whole group will be your accountability partner. They say it takes about a month to start a new habit, so this is your invitation to bring more mindfulness to daily life without adding yet another task to your daily to-do list. Check out the link below for more information and to register. We start on Monday, January 10th, so don't wait to commit to a mindful new you.